In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to insert a chart into your spreadsheet. Inserting the chart is relatively easy. Knowing the type of chart or graph to insert is usually the most difficult part. This is a Google Sheets support page that details the different types of charts and graphs that are available in Google Sheets. You can learn about each one individually by clicking the drop-down arrow. This gives you a brief description of what it is, and if you want to learn more, you can click the link provided. In most cases, Google gives a pretty thorough description of how to create it, when you would want to use this, and what type of data you would need in your spreadsheet to make this possible. The other nice thing about these support pages on Sheets is that you get examples that will show you what this will look like, as well as give you a copy of some spreadsheet data so that you can work on recreating these charts yourself. But in terms of creating the chart, the quickest and the easiest way to insert a chart is to select the columns of data that you'd like to analyze or compare, and then go to the insert menu. So I think it might be nice to visualize the number of pages read by date. So to do that, I'm going to click on column A and then use the control button. I'm going to hold that down and then click column C. This allows me to select multiple columns at once. Using the insert menu, I'll click on chart. Google Sheets has chosen a pie chart to display this data. And this probably isn't the best way to display this data. What this is doing is it's showing the percentage of pages that have been read by day. You can change the chart type by selecting from this menu. And I'm going to try actually a line chart here. And so you can see using the line chart, this actually is a better display of the data. Now let me do another one. Let me click on column B. Now this would actually be perfect for a pie chart. Let's go to insert chart. And in this case, it does give me a pie chart. And you'll see that the range is here. So this is taking data from column B. Pie chart is selected. And it's showing me clearly that 54% of the reading that the student did was nonfiction and 45.9% was fiction. So that's a pretty appropriate way to display the data. Right? And really what you'll want to do is trust Sheets to give you some facts about your data and to suggest a chart to use. And you can always toggle the chart type to see if that display works best. And then once again, a reminder from an earlier video, if you're at a loss for what type of chart to create, pick your column, use the Explore tool, and Sheets will give you some suggestions of the best ways to display your data. All right, and if you have the time, check out the Google support page that explains the different types of charts.